Hey girls, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, you guys. Thank you so much for stopping by again, and to all my new viewers, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell for more videos like this. So you guys, I wanted to change it up. I am tired of filming in the white background. It's so plain and so boring. I know that it's a must for makeup tutorials so you guys can see, but right now if you guys are following me on my Snapchat and Instagram, then I am sitting right now in my living room kitchen area. Down there is my kitchen in the back right there, and in the front is my big window for my living room. So I'm like, hey, this is perfect. Like, I have the best lighting in the apartment and I never use it. And I wanted you guys to see my go-to glam everyday look, which this is the one I love. I am obsessed with this look, you guys, and I freaking love using organic products. I'm like obsessed. It's like, you know when you're eating healthy, you're like, hell yeah, I'm eating a salad today, you know, and that's how it feels when I'm using organic products, because they're hella good and they have good ingredients for your face. Today I'm using all natural organic products, you guys. I just love them. So I will link you guys with everything down below, but thank you guys so much for watching. If you are loving this lighting and want more videos like this right here, then please thumbs up this video. Let me know what you guys think, and let's jump right into this tutorial. Starting out with no makeup, you guys, I'm first going to moisturize, and I'm using my Maqui Berry Beauty Drops PM by Skin Owl. I've been gravitating to this moisturizer so much. I've been loving it. It helps if you have an even skin tone, just to make your complexion look radiant. And I'm going to penetrate that moisturizer in deeper with my face roller, and of course give me a massage, because girl, I've been obsessed with this thing. I have a separate video on this. If you guys want to click it, it'll be down below. So for foundation, I'm using the Glow Time BB Cream. It should be a foundation. Like I told you guys, I am still in number 7. I will link you guys down below with a discount code. But this is a must-have, you guys. I have a separate video on this because it deserves it. Now for my brows, I'm using the Eco Brow in Penelope. I seriously think this is just like the Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm going to clean up my brows a little bit and also apply some concealer to cover up the redness on my lids. And for my palette, I am using the Naturally Glam palette by Adrilunamakeup. This is my must-have palette for daytime, for nighttime. I freaking love this palette, you guys. So I'm going to add some liner, and I'm using the Long Lash Liquid Liner. And if you love organic makeup and if you haven't found the best liquid eyeliner, girl, this is a must-have. This one, I rave about it so much in a separate video. I have it linked down below. So this was my first time using this concealer by 100% Pure, you guys. It's their second skin concealer. I wish I had a lighter shade, but other than that, I loved it. You guys, it was really pigmented, it covered, and it did the job. It didn't crease on me, so this is a must-have for me so far. So to set everything, I use the Pure Press Jane Iredale in Golden Glow. I haven't found anything that I can bake with when it comes to organic, because I don't think that's organic, but yes, I freaking love this. One of the most beautiful highlighters that I have used in the organic world is this one, and it's called Feather, and it's in that little palette that I told you guys by Jane Iredale. It's super glowy and it just looks really natural. This bronzer, girl, by 100% Pure, is called Cocoa Pigmented. Girl, I don't have to say anything, just J-Lo, just the word J-Lo. If you guys are following me on Instagram, then you guys know this is one of my favorite lip combos, and it's the lip liner in Mauve by Pure Wise and the lipstick by RMS in Breathless. And to top everything off and make my lips appear a little bit bigger, I'm using the Snowberry Lip Gloss by Jane Iredale. To set my makeup, I'm using the Balance Hydration Spray by Jane Iredale. Not only does it set your makeup, it also has a lot of antioxidants. So there you have it, girl. This is just a bomb makeup look that I love creating when I have like more organic makeup, and I hope you guys love it. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and comment down below. Give it a big thumbs up. I'll see you guys on the next one.
Oh, this sauce so yummy. Know you want this yummy.